Okay, here we're gonna get on the Ninja juicer, and I'm gonna show you how to put this thing together. It comes with all these parts. This ain't nothing more than a plunger. This will be the top. This is gonna be where the rinds are gonna come out. Today we're gonna do lemons. All right, just to show, okay? This is the actual mechanism, and this is the actual juicer itself, okay? This is nothing more than a picture that goes under there, and it tells you more or less how much you're gonna get. We're gonna do 8 to 10 lemons today. We're gonna see how much we get out of it. This is the auger, I believe they call it. So let's get started. So first of all, this also is where the juice is gonna come out. You'll pop it open, and then it'll come out, because it's gonna be sitting like this, okay? Am I getting that on camera? There you go. And then I left that on there because this ain't that old. So I'm gonna have it closed for now. Now this comes from the back up, and this is the release button to take it off. So once it locks, it locks. There it is, it's locked. Okay, now we're gonna put the auger in. Just like that, simple. This baby boy goes in there. Naturally, it ain't gonna fit like that, okay? So, I mean, you know. So now we're gonna do it this way. This one here, this one is to go ahead and get the rinds and stuff like that. I guess if you do apples, I haven't done them or anything, maybe some kind of a fruit or vegetable or something that you don't care if you want everything in there. I think you can leave this off and do it. I've never tried it, but came with it, so I put it. All right, so it just goes in. This goes all the way, okay. And it just goes in. The screen part there, that looks like a grater, goes on the bottom, okay? So you turn it a little bit, and then it doesn't lock in place, it just goes on there. This is the end, the part that I told you where all that's going to be coming out. I was using it a minute ago, so excuse me. Got a little stuff still in there, but I was just using it. Also goes in, this is going to have to face down, has to face down. So you turn it at an angle just a little bit, squeeze it, push it in, there it is. There's also a button here on the top, and it's going to tell you more or less that's going to be the top, so it has to be up there. And if it doesn't go up there, apparently something went wrong. Horribly wrong. Okay, this is going to go here. Again, I did some earlier, just for the heck of it. So we're going to put that there. This is going to be under the spout. That's where it's going to come out, okay? So we're going to go ahead and load some lemons in there. I'm going to bring them over here on this side, all right? I think we'll go ahead. To start it, let me show you one more thing. Start, you just push the top. It'll turn on by itself. Now, as you get some in there, hold on. Forgot one thing. As you get some in there, you can use this tray. I don't really use it often, as you can tell. I didn't use it, but you can use that, and that goes in there like that, okay? The plunger. Turn it back on. Push it on in there. Throw 2 or 3 at a time. Push them on in there. Throw 2 or 3 at a time. I mean, that's how I'm doing it now. I don't read instructions, so I'm just hoping it's going to come out. And now I'm going to open this. You see how the juice is coming out? It's basically what you want. So I'm just going to keep going for a while and let's see what happens. Now there's one more deal that this thing does. As you see, everything's going around inside that part and just going through there. Now you can stop it, and then there's a thing under the stop button that tells you, it says hold and reverse. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it and watch what happens. See, it comes backwards. What that's for, then I stop. The reason they do that, I think it's in case some of the stuff might get you built up too much, or you want to get more out of it. So now hit start and go back at it. Okay. And we're going back in, back in, back in, back in. Plunge it. Plunge it real good. They say just keep that thing going. Keep moving, keep moving. Don't stop, don't stop. Why are you stopping? Why are you looking? What are you doing? Good. Come on, get them on in there. Get them on in there. Come on now. Let's go. I ain't running no race or anything. Now, doing it with that deal on there, that orange deal, what that does, that's going to strain the seeds. So I guess I didn't say that earlier, and I'm sorry about that, but I usually miss a lot of things. So you see, this goes on in there. Now, I'm not forcing anything. I'm not bearing down on it, okay? I'm just, you know, like, just kind of like setting it a little bit, you know? So, I don't know that you can force it. I don't know that you're supposed to. I got a habit of breaking things, so I don't think I'm not gonna. I don't want to be that guy, man. Okay, doesn't take long. But remember, this juice that it's going to give you is all natural and everything. What happens with that is that you can easily, you can dilute it with water or whatever you're going to do. All right, there it goes. That's the last of it there. It did it pretty quick. Some of this I think I can go over here. See now, okay, see it's starting to stop up, so I'm going to stop it. I'm going to hold the reverse and let's see what happens. But on that, I'm going to shut this. Oops, sorry, you got to hold it for it to continue. You see I'm bringing it back? That's good, that's what you want. Now start it again. Oh, I broke it. Just let it keep going. And see, sometimes maybe I might have over put a little bit. Sometimes I guess you do, I don't know. Again, I'm not the expert on this thing. I'm just doing it. So, that's the juicer. I'll show you how to put it together. It's easy to take apart and it's easy to wash. Show you one thing before we wash it. Now, let me keep going, let me drain it. Okay, there was no more juice left in there. So I'm gonna stop. I'm going to show you what kind of juice we got out of that. I think that was 8, saying 300 meters. I wish these things would give cups. Oh, there's the ounces. Hold on. It's 10 ounces. Okay. And so we got about 10 ounces of, see there? Some came off. When you take a thing off, always make sure you shut it. All right. So that's the juicer. That's the Ninja juicer. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Slap coming out here on the Food Slap, giving you a quick tutorial on how to use the Ninja juicer. Next time we may put another juicer in there. Maybe next time I might put a hamburger in there. Never know with the Slap. Okay, have a good day, a safe day, and tell me what you ate.